Thousands of older Nashvillians are eligible to get a break on their property taxes, but many have not re-enrolled in the program, and the deadline is quickly approaching. News Channel 5's Kelsey Gibbs joins us live from downtown. And Kelsey, if they don't get these forms in on time, it could cost them hundreds of dollars.
That's exactly right, Carrie. Now, Metro Trustee's office is telling us April 5th is the deadline. They said these people should have those forms turned in or postmarked by that date. Now, these are the forms for the trustees for the freeze relief programs as well as the tax relief program. Now, say if you want to avoid any interest charges, then you may want to have it turned in by this Friday.
The neighborhood has changed in a number of ways. We're getting a lot of newer people in here.
When Susan Heffernan bought her home 15 years ago, she paid just $89,000. The land is now worth nearly 4 times the price.
My latest estimate, now here we go, was $346,000.
Heffernan says the high prices are driving people out of the area.
Unfortunately, I believe it's crowding some of the older residents out. And that is why we're talking about this tax freeze.
The tax freeze is just one of the Metro Trustee's office's tax relief programs to prevent folks like Heffernan and older low-income property owners from being driven from their homes due to a sharp increase in the value of their land over the years. But in order to save on prices, recipients have to re-enroll in the programs every year. So far, many haven't re-enrolled.
3,000 of those renewals are missing.
Heffernan says she thinks so many renewals are missing because people are confused about the paperwork or how the programs work. And that seemed to be the case for those who stopped by or called the trustee's office today.
All they have to do is take the form that they got in their tax bill and fill it out and sign it and turn it back in. That's all they have to do.
Now, the trustee's office will be mailing out some courtesy reminders as well as possibly making phone calls just to remind people of that deadline again, which is April 5th or this Friday if you don't want to pay the extra interest charge. But for now, we are reporting live in downtown Nashville. Kelsey Gibbs, News Channel 5.